Hey everyone, Sebastian here. So I wanted to do a quick market update to see what's going on in the market today. Both Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum have been rebounding from the lows. We've also got some good news coming in from Bitcoin adoption and another ETF in South America. So if you like these kind of videos, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. So let's get into it here. So on the chart, we're looking at Bitcoin obviously is in the second day, or actually, what are we at now? The third day of a rebound from the lows on Monday that we hit of 28,800. And we've been bouncing up ever since then. We've had a couple hours where we've been down, but we've had also a good chunk where we've been just rocking along. So that's good to see. Doge, so Bitcoin is actually up. It was up a couple percentage points for the day, but Doge is just rocketing right now. It is up 27 cents from the low of 16 cents, so it's almost up 11 cents in the last couple of days. It's good to see. It's looking like it's kind of getting a little bit exhausted here with the RSI. So time will tell where we're going to go from here, but I think it's going to probably drop down a little bit and then possibly continue back up. Same thing for Stellar. Stellar has been going up ever since the low on Monday. We're at 26.7 on that one. Litecoin is up as well. Litecoin is now at 134.96. We're obviously far from the highs that we've had earlier this spring. What else we got here? ADA, Cardano has rebounded nicely as well. It's doing a little pullback right now, but everything's doing a pullback right now. Ethereum, same thing, had a nice spike up, pulled back down to $1,987 right now, and then that's it for those. So it is nice to see that we're trending kind of slowly upwards. We've had kind of those peaks of $2,040 roughly around there on Ethereum, and we're kind of bouncing off of that. So if we can get past the 2040 mark, I think we can continue to go up higher from here. But here's some of the good news that I found on Bitcoin. So an insurer is starting to accept cryptocurrency for premium payments. A Michigan-based universal fire and casualty insurance company has started accepting cryptocurrency for premium payments. The company, which issues small businesses and offers surety bonds products, says the move is to increase its competitive market position as a part of its broader innovation plan. UFCIC said it is accepting a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin for premium payments for direct online license and permit bonds and other surety bond products. The company claims its payment process is seamless through its portal with the monetary exchange handled by UFCIC's payment processor. So that's just another little win for cryptocurrencies as we're seeing them get adoption in other industries. Now we're in the insurance industry. But the other good news that I found was the Brazil Stock Exchange lists first Bitcoin ETF in Latin America. QR Capital's Bitcoin ETF started trading on Sao Paulo-based B3 exchange under the ticker QBTC11. So the blockchain investment firm QR Capital's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF started trading on Brazil Stock Exchange today, which is on Thursday. In March, the Brazil Securities and Exchange Commission approved QR Capital's Bitcoin ETF to trade on Sao Paulo-based B3 exchange under the ticker symbol QBTC11. The Bitcoin ETF will give investors exposure to Bitcoin with safe custody, daily liquidity without worrying about private keys, said the firm. And this is a big thing right here. For general public use, you want something that's going to be easy for them to use, obviously, but you also want to make sure that the funds are secure. QR Capital CEO Fernando Carvalho said the arrival of Bitcoin in the stock market is a historic moment for the crypto market and the conventional financial markets as well. We see the market maturing in its search for safer and simpler Bitcoin exposure options. Our Bitcoin ETF is a landmark for both financial and crypto markets once it is the convergence point between them. The Brazilian investor has now a regulated and robust choice to buy Bitcoin, said Carvalho. And that's true. Anytime you get an ETF or anything like that where it's pegged to the Bitcoin, it's going to give investors a lot more choice as far as where they can buy their Bitcoin. So that's a good thing. So I'm all for that. And I think this is just one of those things that we're continually seeing in Bitcoin, where we're getting adoption in ETFs and payment processing for like insurers, like we just read. So I think the future is still bright. I think the stock to flow model is intact for now. Obviously, we'll see if we still reach 100,000, which is Plan B's kind of estimate where it should be by the end of this year. And if that happens, we'll be on track for next year to do even better. And maybe we'll even do better this year. So we'll see. Obviously, this is not financial advice, so do your own research on everything. But we do have a lot of good news. So that's it. That's all I wanted to provide you guys with, just a little insight of what's going on. And like I've said before, if you find these videos useful, please consider subscribing. It does help me out tremendously, and it helps out the channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.